Okay, so this guy here asked me to make a video on the foot rig here, and I forgot about to make it. I didn't forget to make it, but I forgot about to make it. That's it. That's what I did. So here's the video, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, bro. So let's start here. First, we need a leg, which I got one here. And now, don't ask where I got this leg. It's confidential information. And here, now we need the basic rig here. Control the toes here. Don't broke every single bone here, and the basic 4 bone here. So let's start by adding a inverse kinematic here to this leg. Select the rig, both rig, and now add the 2 basic bones here. And I'm gonna add a root bone here for the leg. I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees to the left, counterclockwise. Now select, by the way, delete this one. Select both of these, Alt P, clear parent. Now, by the way, name them first. I'm gonna name this one foot guide, and this one knee guide. You guessed it. Well done. You are smart. Select the foot guide and the knee guide. Minus 90 degrees. And the chain length is 2. Works fine. Now we need 2 bones here. We need this one to control the pivot point for the toes, and this pivot point here for the heel. Heel? I guess that's the right name, right? I'm gonna name it heel, not hell, but heel pivot. And this one toe pivot point. Now parent this, by the way, add a new bone here, name it foot roll. And then parent this bone to this one, and this one to this one. And this one to this one. There. Everything parents to everything here. It should look like this. And these are basically all the bones we need now. So select this one, and then select copy rotation and limit rotation. Select the rig, and then pick the foot roll. Select your local space for transform, and local space. And it should move with this bone here. Now select this one and select this one and go to pose and constraints and copy constraints to the selected bone. My good old friend, copy constraint. And almost like I wanted it, but with a few problems here. By the way, we need to limit the rotation here. This one needs to be, I think, positive. No, it's negative. Negative 180. And this one needs to be positive. So limit the rotation to 90 degrees. Now it's almost finished. Now select this, the foot bone here, and parent it to the toes pivot point. Keep offset and look at it, almost finished. Really, it's pretty simple. Now click on the toes, copy rotation, foot rig, the foot roll, local space, now limit rotation. Pick local space, by the way, and select 90 degrees here, and it's done. Pretty easy, bro. How the f***? So you can't understand this? Bro, you lame. I'm just kidding. Now, for the last one, which is even more simple, create two bones here, one in each direction. Now delete, wait, before that, select the root of each one here, and we'll create extrude two bones here, and delete both of these ones here. Parent this one to this one, and this one to this one. And it should, I'm sorry, parent this one to this one here. And this one to this one. It should move like this. See? Now you need to select your good old friend copy rotation. So select this one and this one. Pose, constraints, copy constraints to the selected bone, dude. Now, for transform local space, now we need to do that with the local Y space. So now I'm gonna go positive here and hide this one, so just so I can see what I'm doing. And by the way, limit both of these to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and just like we wanted, select this one, and you can go with 180 degrees. Now our good old friend again, select this one and this one, pose, constraints, copy constraints to the selected bone, but this time minus 180 degree, I guess. Let's see, and that's it. Really, it's finished. Uh-oh, what's going on? By the way, select both of these to 0, so that doesn't happen, that error which just happened. And it's done. Really not hard. And that's it. See ya.